In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DaVinci Resolve. We'll start right from launch so you can go from a blank project to a finished export with confidence. When the project manager opens, click New Project. Give your project a clear, memorable name so it's easy to find later, then click Create. Before you bring in any footage, set the foundation. Click the gear icon in the bottom right to open your project settings. Here, choose your timeline resolution and frame rate. For the smoothest workflow and the best quality, match these settings to your original footage. For example, if your clips were shot at a specific resolution and frame rate, use those here to avoid unwanted resampling or motion issues down the line. Next, head to the media page. In the media pool, right-click and choose Import Media to browse to your files. If you prefer, you can simply drag and drop your video, audio, and graphics straight from your computer into the pool. Keep your media organized as you go. Clean bins make editing faster. Move into the cut page for a quick, rough assembly. This workspace is designed for speed. Trim clips quickly and drop them onto the timeline to sketch the story. The dual timeline view is especially helpful. The top timeline shows your entire project for big picture navigation, while the bottom timeline gives you a zoomed in view for precise cuts. When you're ready for detailed work, switch to the Edit page. This is the traditional editor most people live in. Use the Blade tool, shortcut B, to split clips exactly where you need, and switch back to the Selection tool with A to move, ripple, and refine. To trim, hover over a clip's edge on the timeline and drag to shorten or lengthen it while watching your edit points. To add polish, open the effects library at the top left. Drag a transition like a cross dissolve between two clips to create a smooth change. For titles, drag a text layer onto a track above your video, then position and refine its timing by dragging its edges on the timeline. For look and style, visit the color page, known for industry-leading grading tools that help you balance exposure and shape the mood. If you need visual effects or motion graphics, the Fusion page offers powerful 2D and 3D compositing. For audio, the Fairlight page acts as a full digital audio workstation, letting you level dialogue, reduce noise, and add sound effects or music. When you're finished, go to the Deliver page. Choose a preset such as YouTube or H.264, name your file, and pick a save location. Click Add to Render Queue, then Render All to export your final video. That's your complete path through DaVinci Resolve.